Hi friends, welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I'm going to prepare eggplant bharta, that is Baigan ka bharta. So the ingredients required to prepare this recipe are I have taken 2 brinjals and I have slitted them like this to see if there are any worms inside or anything. So you can just cut them like this. So I've taken 2 brinjals for this. I have taken 2 medium-sized tomatoes and chopped it. Little bit of fresh coriander leaves, chopped it. 2 big onions and chopped it. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. I have taken 2 green chilies and I have cut them. Here I have taken red chili powder. This is Kashmiri red chili powder. You can take this half a teaspoon. Here I have taken half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder. Here I have taken cumin seeds, whole cumin seeds. Here I have taken hing. Here turmeric powder. This is 1/4 teaspoon and 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Salt as per our taste. And I am going to use mustard oil for this recipe. So maybe 3 to 4 tablespoons of mustard oil I am going to use. So now let's get started to make this very delicious bharta at home. So the first step that I am going to do is I am going to first coat this brinjal with this mustard oil. So I'll take the mustard oil and I will coat it properly. Now after coating the brinjals with the mustard oil, you can see it's shining. I will put the gas on. Here I'll increase the flame. I have kept we make chapatis with this, so I have kept that stand here, and then I will place these brinjals on top of this fire, and I'll increase the fire and I will char the brinjals so that it gives nice and smoky flavor. You can see the flame coming up from here. Friends, as you can see, as our brinjals are getting roasted, you can see the water, it's getting cooked inside and the water is coming out. We are going to cook on all the sides, roast it on all the sides. Friends, now these eggplants are completely roasted. They are roasted well. So I'll put up the flame and I will let them cool. So here the eggplants are getting cool. Meanwhile, what we are going to do is we will heat our pan, or a karhai you can take, and we will heat 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. Three tablespoons of mustard oil. Let it get heated. Once our oil gets heated, we will add the cumin seeds, then the hing, friends, when you are adding all this, please reduce the flame so that it doesn't get burnt. And now let it get cracked a little bit. As you can see, our oil is heated and it's crackling. So I will add the onions now. And I will saute it. And I will cook this till the onion becomes translucent. Meanwhile friends, while our onion is getting cooked, we will remove this black skin from our eggplant. Please do not use water or else the smoky flavor of this bharta will go away. Just take out the skin. Be careful while doing this because the eggplant is still warm from inside. As you can see, I'm peeling and the hot air is coming out. So you'll remove the skin. Now friends, I have removed the skin of the brinjal or the eggplant, and I have also cut the edge of this. And here my brinjal is here. I'm going to mash it. Nicely mash it. Now after mashing it friends, here our onion is already getting cooked. So I will add the ginger garlic paste. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Tomatoes, chopped tomatoes. Do not add water to this recipe please. All the dry spices, that is the cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala, my Kashmiri red chili powder and turmeric powder. And we will cook this till our tomatoes becomes little soft. Now friends, as you can see, our tomatoes are cooked. Now I will add the green chilies. Green chilies friends, I have added 2 green chilies. You can add as per your taste. How much spicy do you like? Because I have added Kashmiri red chili powder. So I have not added any chili powder in this, only Kashmiri red chili powder. So you can increase or reduce the amount of this green chilies. Then I'm going to add the roasted brinjal. Mix it nicely with this masala. Please do not add water to this or else that smoky and the roasted flavor of this bharta will spoil. Add fresh coriander leaves. And mix. And we are going to roast this for another 2 minutes on a medium-high flame. After roasting it for 2 minutes, friends, we will add salt. This is the last ingredient that we add. As per our taste. And then we are going to add a tablespoon of mustard oil. That is an option. If you like the flavor of mustard oil, you can add one tablespoon of mustard oil. This will give a lovely flavor to our bharta. And cook for another 1 minute so that our salt gets mixed and cooked nicely. After cooking it for 1 minute, friends, my Baingan bharta is ready. So I will put off the flame and I will transfer it to the serving bowl. So here is our delicious Baingan ka bharta ready. Garnish it with fresh coriander leaves. And savor it with hot rotis or chapatis. Do try this recipe at home, friends, and I'm sure you will love this recipe. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.